Today I am going to explain the sixth experiment of compiler lab. The aim of this experiment is to implement the working of a SIC assembler, one pass SIC assembler. So first I create two hash tables, one with the function ready op table and another hash table of size 30. Then I declare a buffer reader variable and a buffer writer variable BR and WR. First the file is read from the source and then it is written. Then three string variables are declared and one is initialized to null. Then integer variables LC and start are declared, which are initialized to 0. Then a for loop is run so that we get the input from the file that we have read until we reach the end of the file. Then we check if the line contains start. So we have to split this line according to the space. Then we check c dot length equal to 3. Then start will be equal to integer dot parseInt of c of 2 comma 16 lc equal to start. Else start will be equal to 0 and lc will be equal to start. Wr dot write of line plus new line. Else if it contains end, then lc equal to pass one symbol update line comma op comma symbol comma lc comma wr. Else if line contains end and it goes to the next line. Then I declare a variable length which is initialized to lc minus start. Lc then will be initialized to start. Then we close both the files. Then I create a new buffer reader variable and read the file again. Then again I run a for loop and check if the line contains start. If so, it will print the head record. That is, first we will print the title of the object code, and then it will print the starting address and then the length of the whole object code. After that, it will print the end record, which will after the capital letter E and the marker, it will print the starting address of the object code. Then again in pass 2, the text record will be printed along with the values and the size. First the line will be split according to the space and then it will check if it contains a key C of 2. If so, the object code along with the markers will be printed, and if it contains reserved word, reserved byte or word, it will change the value of LC variable. Then in pass 1, the line will be split according to space. Then it will check if it contains key C of 0, C1 dot matches of A to Z plus. Then if symbol dot contains of C of 1, that is if it does not contain, then it will put C of 1, it will put 0 into C of 1. Then otherwise it will print label already exists and it will print the line that has that label. Then invalid label name, that is also another case that can occur. Now if a program has word, reserved word or reserved byte, it will write that line into the file. Then in hash table ready op table, that is a function that was created. The definition for that function is, first it will run a for loop and read the file, and it will split each line according to space, and then it will put the value of C of 1 into C of 0, and then it will close the file and return the obtained output. So when we run this program, this is the object code that is obtained. That's all. Thank you.